What's up, 2Fly fam? Go back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join this family, like the video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm 2Fly B, and today I got a pair of Giuseppe Zanotti slides for y'all. Without further ado, let's go and hop into it. Alright, 2Fly fam, hopping straight to the box. We have Giuseppe Zanotti on the top. Wait, make sure you can see that. Black box going around. On the bottom, it says Made in Italy by Giuseppe Zanotti. Signature. This is what it looks like. It has a Doug's bag here. It says Giuseppe Zanotti in silver as well. And this is it fully. You want to see that? Make sure y'all can see this on the paper. All over print going around. It's kind of hard to see a little bit. Not too bold. As I move this out the way and move the paper, now you have the shoes. How y'all feeling today, man? How y'all been? I've been good. I'm feeling good. Hope y'all feeling good. And if not, hope y'all feel better when y'all get done watching this video, because y'all spending some time with your boy. All right, y'all, the shoes is out. Let me get my thumbnail real quick. All right, y'all got the thumbnail. Let's go and hop into it. Pick up the right shoe first. Now, y'all, this standard pull slide. Going all around, it's all black. On the top, we have Giuseppe and this leather. I'm gonna tell y'all why I got this shoe. Now, I did get this shoe for an airport shoe. So this is my airport slide. When I decide to well, I have a couple different luggages, but I have one luggage that specifically I needed a shoe to go with. So I grabbed this, and I'm gonna show y'all. But hold on, so you have Giuseppe in black on the top. Black leather, never worn these before yet. And on the footbed, it says Giuseppe. On the bottom, it says Made in Italy with the shoe size. Now, these put me in mind. These kind of just like a pair of Palm Angel slides. If you haven't seen that video, you can go check that out if you want to. Kind of like the same shoe with the basic, you know, these pair, like this pair and the Palm Angel slide I reviewed, these are like your typical regular pull slide, standard pull slide, just like a step up higher if you don't want like the Nike version, you know, champion version, all them type of versions. This is like just a next step up. I forgot what this shoe retail for. I did get mine on sale. I got this pair on sale for, I think it was like $150. So I said okay, and I grabbed this shoe to go with my airport luggage. Bottom, none on the bottom as well. This is the right shoe. Let's get into the left shoe. Left shoe, same, all black. You got the black Giuseppe on the top, black leather. Footbed says Giuseppe as well. Size at the bottom, all black. So let me show y'all something real quick. All right. So this is my duffel bag that I carry when I'm in the airport. It came with a set. I got a book bag and a duffel bag to match. So this is black crocodile print. Y'all know your boy do not play. 2Fly B. Come on, man. We didn't just wake up and decide to get this name. I really been like this. So y'all know in the airport, I'm drippy, man. I'm drippy in the airport no matter where I'm at. Don't matter, you feel me? So imagine me, I'm in the airport, you see your boy, hold on. That look like 2Fly. I'm in the airport, you feel me? I'm walking down, airport drippies on. Y'all know I'm drippy in the airport too, don't matter. Black crocodile duffel bag with the matching black crocodile book bag on my back with the shoes to match. The slides, I literally bought these slides just to go with the shoe. Details is hand, man, all the time. So I like this shoe a lot, but like I told y'all, I only bought this shoe to go with that luggage when I wear that luggage. But thing is, it's not like I'm gonna wear this every single time, because I did tell y'all I don't like to wear slides in the airport. So I have different color luggages, but with the black crocodile print, I wanted this shoe. I seen this, I'm like, man, it'll go up, it'll match up perfect, and it does. So I like this shoe. Let me know y'all thoughts on this shoe. How y'all feel about this shoe? Is it a shoe that y'all will wear? Is it a shoe that y'all will pick up? But y'all cop it, drop it or cop it. All right, 2Fly fam, that was it on the review on the Giuseppe Zanotti slides. Leave a comment, let me know how y'all feel about them. It's time to get into the on feet portion of the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all haven't subscribed yet. Roll to 1K. We going up. Let's keep on going up. Appreciate everybody, all the new subscribers. I see y'all. I appreciate y'all. Everybody who been sticking with your boy, I appreciate y'all. Y'all know my love for y'all run deep. You feel me? Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Let's stay connected on social medias. My Instagram and TikTok is 2FlyB, Snapchat FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. I'm gonna tell y'all again. Make sure y'all take care of y'allself. Stay prayed up. And I'm gonna get up with y'all next video. I love y'all. Be smooth.